Okay guys, let's do this one together. So get your pencils out and everyone right now write down 45 times 32. Take a minute, write it down real quick. And let's solve. So I have this kind of step-by-step instruction diagram I'm going to use to kind of help me remember the steps. So here we go, step 1. I'm going to go 2 times 5. So according to this, I'm going to go straight up. So 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 I know is 10. So I'll put the 0 here, the 1 up here. Okay, look at step 2. What am I going to multiply next? It's going to be what times what? According to this, I'm going from the ones place up to the tens place, so it'll be 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. I have to remember to add this extra 1, so 8 plus 1 is 9. Alright, let's go. Step 1 and 2 are done. Let's go down to number 3. Number 3 says, look, I'm done with this ones place, so I'm going to go ahead and cross it out. I'm also done with this one. I don't need that anymore. And I also will need to put a 0 here, a 0 down below. So now I'm ready for step 3. I've crossed out my ones place, I've put my 0, I'm ready now for step 3. Okay, step 3 is going to be what times what according to our rules here. So what times what up here? It'll be 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So the 5 goes here, carry 1 up here. Last step for step 4 is tens place times tens place. So it'll be what times what? 3 times 4, which is 12, plus this extra 1 is 13. Our last step is to add. So ones place is 0, tens place is 9 plus 5 is 14. 4, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus nothing is 1. So we got 1,440.